dans ma société, mes bases. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's going down. Set for the grand stage. Haiti, Brazil, Argentina, Jamaica, Colin, Ket. Nous allons jouer. Some people may think Haiti don't stand a chance. But let me tell you something about that right there. See this? You see that right there? It's no game, buddy. There's no game with that. Because when we stick together, we play together, we fight together, nobody can touch us, man. We untouchable. Even the president cannot stop this. Even the FBI cannot stop this. Only one thing: immigration. But other than immigration, cannot break that the union right there. Because when we play soccer, it's like our food. We eat soccer, we sleep soccer, we shed soccer, we drink soccer, everything soccer. Don't worry about that. Because Brazil gonna meet the match today. I'm not scared about Messi. I'm not scared about Neymar. I'm not scared about nobody. No. Because Haiti, I buy you. I flag in the mail. Not casse, no mail. Don't worry. Everybody say, oh, Brazil is this, Brazil is that. They're looking at the numbers. But you don't look at numbers when it comes to that. You look at the heart. Because when we play, baby, we play with heart. Okay? And it's going to be hot when we play. So bring your heart like this. You need to look fly. Because remember, I will be there. And if Neymar think he's going to go chup, 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 Gary got something for him. If Fred think he's going to come chup, 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 don't worry. Nazon got something for him. If Hulk think he got something, Belfort got something for him. Don't worry, because Brazil only got 1, 2, 3 good players. Haiti, all of us is good. Don't worry, baby. We're gonna bring them their hit. You looking for something? We give it to you. You want pickles? Not bow. Because that's what we are. You think it's a game? It's no game when you come to Haiti for life, baby. Because we play soccer a long time before you kids came in. Okay? You guys are kids. We play this long time. I tell you, we breathe, eat everything. Soccer. So, let me tell you something, soccer boy. This is for Neymar, and this is for Messi. I respect you guys. You guys play good. But when it comes to Haiti, it's gonna be a good match. I'll be watching. I'll be looking. And what's best of yet? No ball football, no budao. You don't believe me? You watch and see. We play with our heart, you guys play with your skill. We got heart, we got skill, and we got motivation. Okay? We may not have all the money in the world, but don't worry. We're gonna go home with something. Even if we don't come with a championship, and me, in my heart, in our country, we're still champions because we make it this far. When people think we was nothing, they thought we was at the bottom. Now we almost to the top. This is Baz, and I approve this message. Support your country. Be there. Or be square. I think that's why. Okay? It's going down. Orlando, Florida, June. You better be there. If you're not there, you a bum. A loser. A baby cry.